So we've got some redness. We can tell she's been licking in this area. It's a little bit of a, I know, good girl, moist dermatitis. So this is a little bit of an infection that's present. And so instead of using antibiotics, we're going to try and use our Phovia Light. And this Phovia Light is going to help speed the healing. It actually speeds the healing by about 50% without even using antibiotics. So as you can see, Izzy also has an infection here under her lip. So all of this crust, this is most likely a little bit of food, but also a bacterial infection. It's not painful, she just more doesn't want to be touched and she's ready to get up. So we are going to put some gel on here and also do a treatment here as well. So here's the inactivated gel. We are going to take one of our light activating little mixtures here, and we're going to add it to it, and then we're going to apply a thin layer of the gel of the activator, excuse me, to the gel, and then we're going to add that on her skin. As you can see, it's a bright orange color. It's not painful, it just looks like somebody colored in your dog with a highlighter for a little bit. We're going to mix this up nicely. And this is going to become light activated. So as you can see, it's a nice orange color. This can stain the hair, the skin, but it's non-painful, it's not toxic, and it's not harmful even if she were to lick a little bit of this. So as you can see, I'm going to just close that up just for a few moments while I apply a thin layer of the gel to that lip. And then we are going to use our Phovia. As you can see, she didn't really care about that, more just didn't want to stay still. This is the Phovia Light that will activate the gel to actually help speed the healing. And we just leave it there for 2 full minutes. We don't need to make actual contact with the skin itself. And as you can see, it's just highlighting everything. It's not painful, and I'm just trying to keep that lip nice and taut so we can get the full exposure. This is not harmful to our eyes, not harmful to her. It's not heat. See, I can put my finger in there. It's not doing anything to my finger. It's just activating and helping to speed the healing where the gel itself is. So it's not harmful to her in any way, shape, and form. The light takes about 2 minutes to run fully, and then we wipe it off, and either we can have her come back later this week for her second treatment, or what we can do is we can wipe it off and reapply new gel and do another 2-minute treatment, and then she is good for the full week. We can even do this weekly, twice a week, to help speed any infections without the use of antibiotics. So this is really quite an amazing product. See, it's not hot at all. It's not hurting my finger. It's not hurting her. She just doesn't want to be laying still for any period of time. So now you can see our first treatment is done. I'm going to see it's not harmful, it's not toxic. If she wasn't a black dog, you would be able to see the color more. And so basically we can do another application and see how she is. Here that we're going to be doing the Phovia treatment. Again, you can see she's been licking and chewing at herself. There's a little cut right here. All right. Now I'm going to take a clean applicator. This is already our pre-mixed gel. Okay, and I'm going to be applying it in here. I know, life is very hard. It's hard to stay still. And so I'm gonna just apply it in there. I'm gonna use the other side to get a little more because we don't want to double dip. And there we go. And all of this will help speed the healing of this treatment. She doesn't like it when I touch her paws. All right, here's our next little side here. And see, I can put my fingers right in here just to kind of help spread it so that the light can reach all the little areas. And it's not going to harm her in any way, shape, and form. It doesn't harm my fingers by holding it. And I'm not wearing any protective eye gear. It's not even hot to the touch. So we just have to wait the full 2 minutes. So after we're all done, we're going to wipe this all out. And then mom or dad can give her a bath afterwards, try and clean up more of the coloring, discoloration from the gel. but it's not harmful, and again, this will speed healing. Hopefully cut the time in half. All right, and then as you can see, I think I even got a little on my fingers. You can barely see the discoloration. And that's it. So she is all done. Good job, good girl. Good job. Alrighty. She says bye.